کس کے پاس مائکرو فون ہے؟ یس ہاں اس کو دے دو. موسو کو.
Beloved Huzur has been calling for doctors to go to Ahmadi hospitals around the world.
Calling doctors? Yes.
It is my dream to become a doctor, inshallah, and volunteer for this cause. What advice can you give to me and other girls who are aspiring to do this as well?
So you are interested in medicine. Which year you are in now?
Year 8.
Year 8. So you take your science subjects in GCSE, huh? So when you become doctor, then see, instead of just earning money, getting money, or you should use your profession for the service of mankind. So this is the advice for all Waqf-e-No. So in this way, while serving the mankind, you will also be able to spread the message of Islam in your surrounding, to your patients and all other people, right? So your main purpose, aim should be to serve the human being, right? Not to get money, right?